Next part, here as you can see, again I have made something for you to explain you. Now again the verbs, to divide them into broad categories, two parts are there. Again the verbs are divided into two broad categories. What? Principal verb, auxiliary verb. Okay, principal verb, auxiliary verb. This word is known as auxiliary. Okay, principal verb, or it is known as main verb also. Okay, auxiliary verb, or it is known as helping verb. You have to remember the names. Okay, principal verb or main verb, auxiliary verb or helping verb. See, these are two main broad categories in which the verbs are divided. In the previous video you have seen this same thing only. Now these have got the names also, principal verb and auxiliary verb, which we call same. Sing, play, eat, jump, run, laugh, these all are known as main verbs. They play the main role. Okay, and these is, am, are, was, were, has, have, do, did, these all are the helping verbs. Helping के नाम से आपको पता चल रहा है, from the name helping itself it is telling you that these verbs help the main verbs to make a sentence, to tell the tense of the sentence, that the sentence is in which tense, it is going on in which part, in which time it is going on, an action happening at what time, how an action is happening. So these verbs help the main verbs. When they are joined together, they help the main verbs, and when they are joined with this, there are some changes in the spellings, there are some changes in the formations of the tense, there are some changes in the verbs according to the sentence, according to the tenses. Okay, like for example, if we are using is, if we are using is here, and with this it is present continuous में जाता है, it goes in the present tense, we have to use ing, it becomes singing. Okay, so like this the verbs play the role. Now for example, like I give you an example. She is playing with her toys. She is playing with her toys. Now here see, is, it is the helping verb. Is the helping verb. Play, first see play, it is the main verb. What is it? Main verb. Now we have made it ing, playing, is playing. वो खिलौनों से खेल रही है, is playing. So by this it is telling that the action is being done in this form. Alright, so these are known as the verbs, the division of the verbs into two parts, principal or auxiliary verbs. Principal verbs are known with the name, another name, which are known as main verb, and auxiliary verb are also known with the another name, which are known as helping verbs. Okay, okay students.